Oh, balle, balle. Now that person has to be introduced and don't mind, I'm just trying to assess what was right and wrong. So you don't do your Bharat Milap first, you should know each other, because that's why you're introducing, because you know the two and they don't know each other. That's why a threesome introduction is required. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. If they knew, then you would not be doing some other part of introduction, right? So in this case, the person who's introducing, there's a nice method I'll explain to you. Take the senior's name first and then say, Senior, may I introduce Junior? What are various methods of doing it? You can say, Senior, allow me to introduce, or Senior, please meet. Or in England they say, Senior, may I present? So you can use any of these expressions. So in this case, who's the senior? Shalini is a lady, therefore she is considered senior in this case. So I'll tell Shalini, I would want, may I present Rajneesh? Rajneesh. Or if he doesn't like the idea of being presented, then I can say Rajni. Shalini. I'm sorry. Shalini, I would want you to meet Rajneesh. यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया जी? सीनियर का नाम पहले लिया, फिर जूनियर. Now they will wait. They will not get in. They will wait for the introduction process to be completed. Indians have a problem here. They don't wait for the introductory tab. Now it is important, especially when you know how to greet the other person, depending on, you have England, you have those hierarchy, Duke and Duchess and King and Prince, and you have to then accordingly decide on the bow. Kinna chukna pehna hai, kinna chukna pehna. So that is the reason why you wait for the introduction to be completed. So I said, Shalini, may I introduce Rajneesh? Rajneesh, this is Shalini. You don't say he or she, because till the time they've met, they are non-persons, and non-persons don't have a gender. Are you getting it? I'll do it once again. Shalini, may I present Rajneesh? Rajneesh, this is Shalini. Okay, ji? Now Shalini, second part. Would you want to shake hands?
To an extent.
If you want to. Kuch zabardasti.
Hi Rajneesh, pleasure meeting you.
How do you do bol?
Hi Rajneesh, how do you do?
कोई फैन फोन नहीं, फैन तो लग चुका है तुसी फैन ला. Do it once again. I'll just do the introduction. Shalini, may I introduce Rajneesh? Rajneesh, this is Shalini.
Hi Rajneesh, how do you do?
How do you do? Super. Done. Now the introductory tab. So now when I'm introducing, I'm introducing the junior, so I'll talk about the junior first. Shalini, Rajneesh is a badminton champion of the company. And Rajneesh, she is a dancer. She does Kathakali.